next company is from Canlux. Am I right? Canlux Lighting Manufacturing from Zhongshan. Hi. Maybe we are suffering from signal issues and traffic jams issues. And our lost factory still home lighting give us a wonderful factory tour, but suffer from the signal. And now we are waiting for our next company, Canlux Lighting Manufacturer. I just saw them waiting in the waiting list. For some reason, maybe you're coming back. Hi. Next company is Canlux Lighting Manufacturer from Zhongshan. Hi.
Hi,
Good
yes.
afternoon. I'm Jane. Hi. How are you?
Good afternoon, Jane. My name is Olivia. Nice to meet you here.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Wow. Hi, Olivia. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company, like in 10 minutes or 8 minutes like this? Thank you.
Profile of our company?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Our company, we are Zhongshan Canlux Lighting. Canlux Lighting was founded in 2006. We engage in all kinds of interior lighting, LED products, all kinds of interior lightings. Our factory is located in Zhongshan City, covered around 7,000 square meters. And we are committed to research and develop, produce and sell all kinds of LED ceiling lamp, pendant lamp, and wall lamp, floor lamp, and all kinds of interior lights, so that we can provide our partners with professional and efficient one-stop service. Nice. Welcome to visit our factory if you have time.
Absolutely, they will do. They will do that. Yeah. And what's your main product? And could you show us around or give us a more detailed one?
Yes, sure. Our main product is LED ceiling lamps. It is most popular in Europe market. This is one series of our products. This LED ceiling lamp made of acrylic and iron. And iron inside LED products is remote control. Well, one minute, let me find out. Oh, sorry, 1 minute.
It's okay. It's okay. It's well designed.
Our products are functional products. This is our remote control. This is our remote.
Yeah.
Every product can be controlled by this remote. It's very convenient in your house, and it's very popular in Europe market because it's this is and the brightness adjustment. This is the brightness, and the color temperature is changing. The color temperature. Yeah, this is the color temperature. We can set, and it can be turned on and off by the remote.
Switch on and
very
off.
Smart lamps. It's very smart lamps. And also here is one is our LED ceiling lamp. This is more like flexible. It's much more popular for supermarket for this kind of products. 1 minute. Hardly.
Oh, it's like a hashtag. It's like a hashtag. Yeah.
Yes, it's much more popular to most of Europe markets because it's very cheap. The price is very cheap. This is the most important. The price is very cheap, very competitive.
Compatible,
this is
yes.
Our main product. Here are here are some more products. Here are some more products.
Wow, the shapes are great.
Yes, right. And let me
The triangles, the petals, the flower petals. Wow, I can see from the images.
Yeah, these are most common products now factory.
Oh,
Yeah, these are our products. It's very convenient in by assembling these products. Customers don't need to assemble anything, just to install this lamp to the ceiling. Then it can connect the power. Then finish. You can work on it. You can use it.
yeah, easy installation.
Yeah,
Very
very
easy.
convenient. Yes, it's very convenient and it's very more. It's modern. It's modern model.
Great.
Yeah, this is our main product.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, Olivia. You have showed us maybe just 6 or 7 minutes, but I see a lot of shapes that you have designed, and they are really just like you mentioned. It's just a fit the European or the overseas their taste, and because of the price is not that high, so made your product much more compatible, competitive in the markets.